Good day, everyone. We are going to present our team's project and we call it AssembLeague. It's from the coined words assemble, which means bring together, and league, which means sports teams that play with one another. The application will be developed mainly to assist league organizers to systematically arrange their tournaments and to pave a way for sports enthusiasts to meet and connect with others of like interests. I am Verna.
This is Mary.
This is Pooja.
This is Raman.
And for our business case, we have here Mary.
Thank you, Verna. So, have you ever tried of wanting to do something or some sports activity, but you just don't know where to go or you don't have anyone else to do it with? Well, I bet all or almost all of us can relate to that. So, this project proposes a software development of an application that eliminates the gap between two or more people with the same sports interest by giving them a platform where they can connect with one another. Organizers as well will also have a place where they can list their sports events online to have a wider search so that users will also have a place where they can browse or register tournaments. And next, we have the background and statement of the problem to be explained by Raman.
Thank you, Mary. So, in a country where there are thousands of immigrants coming per year, it is very hard to find people and places who have same interests, especially in a new place. According to IRCC, more than 10,000 to 50,000 immigrants came to Canada in 2021, and the numbers are still growing each following year. To address this issue, we have decided to create an application which helps people to join or register for various sports activities which they are interested in. As we all know, sports have an essential role in one's life. It not only helps an individual with overcoming any type of psychological health problem, it improves several skills like leadership, teamwork, and overall confidence. So the main issue arises, whom should one play with? One need to have a companion with same interests because a group of friends or siblings might not like to play the same sport. With this app, everyone can look online for tournaments, events, or leagues which fascinate them. It saves a lot of time to search for people and places. Moreover, people can organize tournaments, leagues, events, and can gather players or enthusiasts by listing them with the application. Through this application, we are confident that there will be a stronger bond between communities, which will result in a healthier, happier, and safer community. Now, for alternatives, I will hand over to Mary.
Thank you, Raman. Before coming up with the idea of our software, we thought of other alternative as well. Like for example, we have school or company sports event, which where they can register and sometimes they are more accessible and free of charge. However, this kind of events doesn't happen often, and on average, they just happen at least once or twice a year. Another alternative is Facebook events. However, Facebook has a wider category focusing on different types of events, which requires the user more effort in narrowing down their search. Plus, it only involves the before starting of the event, um, like joining the event or marking yourself as interested, and does not have some features that cater after the event has started, like the streaming and score standing of the tournament. And next, for our project report, for tracking and reporting, the project will use Jira. Jira is an agile tracking and monitoring software. So the timeline will be reported on a agile roadmap to have an overview of what is to be done on each sprint. The project will also have an agile board to have a clear view of what is done in progress and upcoming user stories. And next, we have the revenue model by Pooja.
Thank you, Mary. Yes, the revenue, the profit, which is one of the most important part of any business, that how and how much income they can generate from their business. For our business, we have decided to choose the freemium model. So, the question is what is the freemium model? It means selling the basic services to the users at free of cost and charge them if they want to use the special features. So, we have decided to divide these special features for the purpose of revenue into some parts. Whereas the first one is the package A, which involves four features, that is background color, logo, sponsors, adding up to 80 teams, which can be used by the tournament organizers while creating the tournament, and it costs only $50. And the second one is the package B, which is cost for $200. This package is the worst one. Why? Because it adds almost all the special features of our website. And what next? For those who don't want to buy all the package but are interested into any specific one or two features, we can provide them too with the very minimum cost. Adding more to it, revenue model is not limited to these things. We are also thinking to do the advertisement on the website, as well as we will do the publicity of our website on the social media, so that we can get more traffic on our website. More the traffic and more the revenue we can generate. After saying this, I just want to pass the control to the Verna for discussing the use case diagram. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pooja. So this is our use case diagram, and this will include the discussion of the functional requirements. So as you can see here, we have four actors, but the functionality is divided into two parts: the tournament management and the matching features for individuals who like to connect with one another with matching interests. The first part is targeted to league organizers. They could be sports committee of a municipality or a city, or an organization, sports academy, or urban and recreation facility owners. Actually, anyone can create a free tournament, but it is specifically for the ones I've mentioned. This will include the name of the tournament, the venue, the schedule, the format, and participant registration. Once the tournament has been created, the tournament page can be viewed by anyone given the link. It has the basic info, standings and scores, and schedule of games. Organizers will have a way to upgrade the tournament, and these upgrades will generate the revenues of our application. We have listed here the possible upgrades. The prices included in our report is not yet final because we have to see the actual cost and complexity in implementing these features in the app. For example, they can get package A, which includes customized background color, upload their logo, and list their sponsors, and can register up to 80 teams for $50. Or if they don't want the packages, they can unlock features for a certain cost. For example, they want to include the live stream in the tournament page for $100, or enable the participant registration so they can register themselves, or the official players or members can register themselves. This will help especially the organizers if they are managing like a basketball tournament with 10 participating teams. For the enabling sending of announcement to participants, it will help organizers to get everyone updated if there are cancellations or postponement of games. However, the payment method to upgrade will be done outside the app, and the organizers and the system administrator will decide on which payment method they will use, and after it will be confirmed, the administrators will approve the request of the organizers. On this side are the athletes and enthusiast features. If they are registered or not, they can view list of posted tournaments and request to join, but they have to register to input their information for organizers' approval. They can match with other individuals. For example, Len is a badminton player, so she can see profiles of other members who likes badminton. Let's say she can connect with Ferdy and share contacts. However, the communication part or the messaging will not be included, and they can do it through other platforms like Messenger or WhatsApp. In this app, they can find players, teammates, or team members to play with them, and then they can organize their own or join existing tournaments. Lastly, for the admin part, they will be the one who will approve the request of the organizers for upgrades, and they can do what organizers can do and view reports or statistics. For the last part, the non-functional requirements, we have here again Mary.
Thank you, Verna. Last but not the least, so we have the non-functional requirements. For the performance, individual request response times of a functionality shouldn't exceed 2 seconds. And for the adaptability, application should be compatible with the common browsers that we have. We have the Chrome, Edge, and Firefox on desktop, and as well as mobile devices. And for the tech requirements, all application input or information is stored in a database. So that's it, everyone, and thank you for listening to our presentation. Please let us know if you have any questions or clarifications. Thank you.